Okay, so good day, sir. I am Norhani Pinagayaw. So today I will going to demonstrate the blood pressure taking. So what is blood pressure taking? Blood pressure taking is the pressure exerted on the wall of the arteries when the left ventricle of the heart push blood into the aorta. So the purpose is to determine vascular resistance to blood flow, to determine the effectiveness of cardiac muscle in pumping blood to overcome the vascular resistance. So the equipments are sphygmomanometers, stethoscope, cotton ball with alcohol, and pepper and pen. Okay, so the first procedure is identify and explain procedure to the client. Rationale, to ensure right procedure is done to client and gain the client cooperation. So, good day, ma'am. What's your name po?
I'm Leticia po.
So, Ma'am Leticia, I am Nurse Honey, your nurse for today. So, ikunin po natin ang blood pressure nyo kung may nagbago po ba or wala. The second procedure is assess the client physical status. Assess the client physical status. Rationale, to ensure that the client is rested and to identify the affected side of the client. So, ma'am, may masakit po ba sa inyo? Ito po. Sa kabila po. Sige po. The third procedure is determine the client determine the client's baseline blood pressure. Rationale, for comparison of result during monitoring. So, ma'am, ang blood pressure nyo po kanina is 120/80. So, titingnan natin kung nagbago po ba siya. The next procedure is assemble the equipment. Rationale, to promote the efficiency of the healthcare provider. Fifth procedure is wash hands. Rationale, to prevent the transfer of microorganisms. The next procedure is place client in a comfortable position, lying or sitting, and position the arm at the level of the heart with the palm of the hand facing up. Probably use left arm because it is near. Probably use left arm because it near the heart. Rationale, this position places the branchial artery on the inner aspect of the elbow. That a stethoscope disc can rest on it conveniently. Having the arm above the level of the heart causes a decrease in BP. The next procedure is wrap the deflated cup evenly around the upper arm. Located the branchial artery, apply the center on bladder directly over the artery. For an adult, place the lower border of the cup approximately 2.5 centimeter inch above the antecubital space. Rationale, pressure in the cup applied directly to the artery the most accurate reading will give the most accurate readings. Antecubital. The next procedure is wrap cuff around arm smoothly and snugly, not too close, not too tight. Rationale, a smooth cuff and wrapping procedure equal pressure and give accurate read. A cup too loose wrap will give inaccurate reading. Next procedure, estimate the systolic pressure, palpate the pulse of the branchial artery, inflate the cup and note the reading when the branchial pulse disappears, then deflate the cup. Rationale, to prevent underestimation of the systolic pressure or overestimation of the diastolic pressure. Next procedure, wait for 1 to 2 minutes before making further assessment. Rationale, to prevent false reading. Next procedure, place the stethoscope earpiece in your ear and close screw valve on the air pump. Rationale, sound are heard more clearly when the earpiece follow the direction of the ear canal. Next procedure, pulpate the branchial artery, turn valve clockwise to close and compress valve to inflate cup to 30 mmHg above point where palpated pulse disappeared. Rationale, to get results. Next procedure, release the air in the sep slowly so that the pressure goes down at the rate of 2 to 3 mmHg second. Rationale, if the air released too slowly from the cup, there will be a congestion in the extremity causing pulse reading, and it is released to rapidly sound may not be heard at accurate level. Next procedure, listen for the sound. First distinct loud muffling sound is systolic pressure. Continue to release the air evenly and slowly. Last soft muffling sound is diastolic pressure. Rationale to get accurate result. Next procedure, after the final sound has no disappeared, deflate cup rapidly and completely. Rationale, to release the remaining air from the cup and prevent congestion in extremity. Next procedure, roll the cup and place it in the case. Wipe the earpiece of wipe the earpiece of the stethoscope with antiseptic swab and out back in its proper place. Rationale, this method of removing dirt prevent possible cross-contamination of the ear. Next procedure, wash hands. Rationale, to prevent the transmission of microorganisms. Next procedure, evaluate the nature of blood pressure. Rationale, to compare from the baseline data. So ma'am, your blood pressure is 120/80. So wala pa rin tong pagbabago. Last procedure, documentation. Record the result taken. Rationale, for monitoring purposes. That's all for blood pressure taking.